We're Will and Jen. In our last vlog, we tasted our way through the state of Vermont and enjoyed apple cider donuts, Ben & Jerry's, maple syrup, and more delicious treats. This week, we're in Elkhart, Indiana, and getting the complete Lippert experience. Follow along as we see where most of the country's RV parts and accessories are built and get a peek at the actual chassis for our new fifth wheel.
This is your fifth wheel. If you guys don't already know, Jen and I are part of the Matt's RV Reviews team, so we do YouTube videos of RV reviews. I record on the Towables channel, and Jen is like behind the scenes doing our editing. On the Towables channel, Lippert is our main channel sponsor, and we're super excited about this partnership. We just created it with them, and that's actually why we're here. We are here in the RV capital of the world, which is Elkhart, Indiana. Probably the majority, for sure the majority of RVs are manufactured here. A lot of the parts suppliers are here. A lot of delivery drivers are based out of here. Everything RV related comes out of here in Elkhart. For the first 3 days of this week, we're going to be working with Lippert. We're gonna be at their different headquarters and different facilities, touring plants, meeting people, just doing tons of really, really cool stuff with Lippert. So that's why we're here this week, and then towards the end of the week, we are meeting up with some different manufacturers, to tour a couple cool units. So excited to see what this week holds. Does that matter?
Roll into that.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, buddy.
Hi, Mommy. What's going on?
Not much. This is like the least busy airport I've ever been to.
Right?
Well, let me
The
tell
one
you.
in Ohio is like this.
Let me tell you. I am fat as hell. Dude, fitting on those seats.
Air Wisconsin.
Dude, you, not even being rude, you could not have flown on that plane.
Really?
It was bad. It was like, and I'm fatter than you, PPI, pounds. That's pounds per inch, everyone. But you could not fit. It. My body sore.
Welcome to Indiana.
Thanks, Indian Tucky. So I totally.
What? Our first stop on the Lippert tour was the Technical Institute, which provides online and in-person training for RV techs across North America. The cool part about the Technical Institute is that it provides students with hands-on simulations so they can learn how to solve real problems that they will face in their job. Alright, it is day 2 of our Lippert experience. Yesterday we pretty much just got a lot of tours. They showed us the warehouse, they showed us the Technical Institute. So today we're actually meeting with the owner of Lippert, Jason Lippert. So we're very excited about that. We're on our way in to meet with him, and then I think we're doing some planning, meeting stuff.
Today's a lot more business stuff.
Yeah, about how we're what we're gonna do with Lippert on Matt's RV Reviews and everything. So yeah, I think today will be a little bit more exciting because we're gonna be talking all that.
For sure, yeah.
I wanted to bring that up just because there's clearly products that we have that are to truck camper to a toy home, right? So these folks feel like they're buying a car. And we just look. I learned.
It's helpful for us to know this is why we want to partner with this company. This is what they're doing.
We organically go into some of those areas, and other areas we bought some.
So we just got out of the meeting with Jason Lippert. That was super cool. We actually had our planning meeting earlier in the day. So it was an hour or two, probably.
An hour and a half, I think.
Yeah, of just talking with people on the Lippert customer experience team and just kind of planning on different things that we want to do and collaborate together. So that meeting was a lot of fun, and we came out with a lot of good ideas. What did you think, Matt?
I liked it.
Thank you for your contribution. What do you think, Will?
Why are you eating a sandwich when we're about to get lunch?
Because.
Hey, well, why are you eating a sandwich when we're about to get lunch? No, it was a great meeting, and the day beforehand we were doing a lot of factory tour stuff, and today was like a great day because we got to be with a lot of creative people, bouncing ideas off them, like what we're going to do for Lippert, but also what Lippert's going to do for us and for you guys,
right?
Who decide to like get an RV through us, pretty much. I mean, they got a lot. Not only that, it's not even about buying an RV through us. Like, we're gonna be doing tons of giveaways and prizes, and we have a lot of messages to tell you guys. Like, we were talking a little bit about like the secret program where you guys get to try out new products first for free and give like customer feedbacks. It's a lot of good stuff.
We have a ton of cool things that we've learned about Lippert so far that we'll be definitely sharing on the Towable channel. We'll share it on here. It'll be kind of be all over the place, but we have a lot of cool things to share with you guys.
So something that was really cool that we learned with Lippert, or like just learned throughout this whole thing before Jason even mentioned it to us, was just like their core values as a company. He's taking care of his people, and his people mean customers as well first. You know, he firmly believes that if he takes care of his workers and if he takes care of his customers and everything, that things will develop, the money will come to the business, and it'll just grow into a great company, which it already has. I mean, it's a huge company. So,
but right now we're actually at this restaurant called Evil Czech.
Yep.
Which is like, I think it's like I don't know, it's like Czechoslovakian. What is Czechoslovakian?
I think it's just like a cool name, but they have like pizza and tacos.
It's a brewery,
and,
yeah. So we're actually grabbing lunch with a lot of like the customer experience marketing people.
Yep.
And so that should be fun, and then we have some more cool Lippert stuff going on the rest of the day.
We're here at Plant 19 for Lippert, and this is one of their coolest plants from what we've heard. We haven't been in yet, but apparently it's like all robotics and stuff, like building stuff. So I'm really cool to see that because that's new for Indiana.
And then it gets built into a chassis, and we put it through a powder coat line, and then it goes to installs, and then ships to the customer after that. So we roughly have around 3 days worth of inventory on our lot. So right now, I think you know how the RV industry is.
Yeah.
We are building, just on this complex alone, over 7,000 chassis a week.
Wow.
We have 3 buildings here. So Plant 19, which is where you're at right now, they build only fifth wheels. So they build about 250 frames a day. Plant 26 is a hybrid of TTs and fifth wheels. And then Plant 30 is only fifth wheels, so it has 2 shifts. They build 1,000 chassis a day out of that one building.
Wow.
Honestly, 8 years ago, I started saying, like, what can we do to get better in this industry? How do we build better quality? These are our biggest safety factors. If we can eliminate that, what can we do there? So we seriously sat down and started, and then hired some people. And
like
I said,
who thinks of this?
Yeah.
This is
a lot more people that are a lot
like
more
this would make
intelligent than I am.
Elon Musk scratch his head.
Yeah. So I mean, it's like, this is the game changer for us. This is going to be the huge difference. It's going to put us. I mean, we always talk about creating that moat, and this is definitely going to create the moat for us, even bigger and bigger. So quality is going to go up, efficiency will go up for us. So, and like you said, I mean, there's only 5 people. When this is fully done, we vetted out any opportunity that still comes up, and these machines are running smooth. There's 5 maintenance people in here, and that is it, and a person scheduling.
Yeah.
So.
It's crazy.
And everything comes and
Someone's programming the schedule.
yeah. So that's what they're still working on now.
So we just found out actually that the frame for our new RV that we're getting is being built here tomorrow. So the metal for it is sitting here waiting to be built. Will found the VIN number and they looked it up, so that's super cool. We're 1 day early, so we don't get to see it being built, but I think they're going to try to get some footage for us, hopefully.
Today we are at what was once the Furrion Headquarters, and Furrion was just recently bought by Lippert. So as you can see, they are changing it to a Lippert building, and this is one of my most exciting days, or one of the days I've been looking forward to the most, because we are going to get to review the Furrion Elysium again, and this time it's actually for sale. It is such a unique, you know, one-of-a-kind unit. There's nothing else even close to this.
Yeah.
So we're reviewing that. So we're gonna have some additional meetings as well. And today's our last day working with Lippert, so we'll see what it has in store.
Yeah, and this building is super cool.
Oh
looking.
yeah,
Like,
everything
very-
at Furrion is
very techy.
so innovative.
Yeah.
You know, at night you drive by this, it lights up so much. It's just so cool. It's just, again, everything Furrion is very, very innovative.
And we're actually right next to the you can't see it because it's really foggy, but over there is the RV Hall of Fame.
Yes.
So you might remember when we drove out for our whole Wyoming
Yep.
trip like months ago, we stopped right by here and we threw the ball for like Tucker out in that like fenced in area.
Right.
So yeah, this is like, all this cool stuff is like all in this little like park area.
Yep.
So, all right, well, we're gonna head in and check out the new Lippert facility.
Cool.
The full kitchen. There's a golf simulator back here.
Oh wow.
TVs. That is a gym,
Thank you.
so the folks can utilize the gym whenever they're in here. Lunches,
Nice.
or some guys come in
Cool.
early and work out.
Yeah,
and
that's
do
really
that. Back here's a couple of locker rooms, so they're changing rooms with full showers.
Sweet.
Right. And then back here is the sauna. I don't know when the last time it's been turned on, but there is a sauna in the building.
Is there any apartments? Still smell it.
No.
Can I can't take up residence?
No. This is the fifth wheel that they redid a number of years ago. We're actually gonna gut this and redo it with all current content, new leveling system.
So we just finished up at the new Lippert facility here. We were originally supposed to be doing reviews on a couple units, and it just turned out like just wasn't like really needed. They're trying to sell those units, so we were gonna make videos on them. But one of them is, they pretty much already have a buyer. And then if you want to see a video on that really cool like Furrion Class A motorhome, Matt and Will actually did a whole review video on it like a year ago, so we'll put a link to that if you just want to see what that looked like. But we're about to head out. We spent some time with the guys that are here. They're doing a lot of like engineering, a lot of the electrical components from Furrion and everything, and kind of just did some brainstorming. They told us about some really cool things that are coming out that we can't really talk about yet, but very cool things for the RV buyers out there. And then also they just kind of asked our opinion, like what are we seeing and hearing from RVers that they like or don't like or wanting to see in RVs. So I think it was a really good like brainstorming session, and hopefully maybe we gave them some cool ideas that they can try to implement. So we're gonna go grab lunch, and then we're doing another Lippert plant tour later today.
We are back at the Lippert plant that we were at yesterday. This is a chassis plant, and I forget what number it is. 19, plant 19 for Lippert. And we just got word that our chassis just came offline. So we are going to take a look at it.
What do you mean your chassis?
our chassis, all the base to our fifth wheel.
Yes, which is a blank but blank.
No, by the time this comes out, they'll already know.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, we're going to take a look at that and maybe sign it or something.
Yeah.
I really want to sign it.
Number 9 was off 912.
They're being stacked, or they were just stacked. So let me see what happened to those. And then number 9 actually went through powder coat already. Go through powder.
We didn't mean to stop the whole production.
What happened?
Well, so we didn't mean to stop the whole production.
Right.
Stop, everyone, stop.
Everyone halt. Where's number
Can you
9?
do me a quick favor? Can you look up load number 545?
Yeah.
No pressure. It's being videotaped because there's people that are buying the frame are here to look at it. They have a blog. It's all about you right there. Alright, you mess this up, they get mad.
This might have came from your frame.
I hope not. Oh, they're everywhere. Okay.
Just the cutouts.
Let's take it.
Hey, Jen, watch this. Look.
Oh! You need to do that. Get over to the frame.
You're a magician. You're a wizard, Harry.
It's Levi. Look, it's
Hang on, I messed that one up.
it's Leviosa, not Levilosa.
Levy.
Okay, guys, so this is the chassis. This is your fifth wheel.
Well, one thing I noticed is like when it's just the chassis or the frame or whatever, it's like it looks like smaller than it is. Obviously, 'cause
Right.
it's like, the height factor.
Like it's hard to think that they're gonna get a whole kitchen, a living room,
Right.
a bathroom, and a bedroom.
This is what your life is confined to, just this.
Like props to them for building all that out on this.
Yeah,
But
no
yeah, it's
kidding.
cool to like actually see it like at this stage.
Right? And look, you guys got the good thingy. Like,
Oh yeah.
like what? So like when they said like, oh, your unit's being built, I saw that type, like the cheap wire or whatever.
Yeah.
So I don't know how to describe what it is.
This right here.
Yeah.
This is Oh, stamped. Is that what they call it?
Yep. I don't know what that means.
What
but
was
it's
it called?
better. It's
Stamped.
Oh yeah.
Versus rod and angle. Rod and
Versus
angle.
rod and angle. Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought you guys got rod and angle. I was like, oh god.
Oh look, it's already got the slide arms in and everything here and there.
Didn't we just see these being made earlier?
Yep.
Yeah, we did just hours ago. Not even,
We were
like
just
1 hour
We
ago.
were just talking about earlier how it's like if you only knew like how many like people were part of making
Yeah.
one RV, because we in the plant we were just in, it was like so many people just
Hundreds.
building the axle.
Oh, yeah.
And then that's at the stage of like assembling the axle. But think about like making all the raw materials that
Yeah.
like, come
Right.
to that, and then like building the RV. So there's a
Right.
lot of hands into making one RV.
Yeah, it's insane.
And look at these tires, man.
They're the Saloons. I love those.
ST 235-80 R16.
Wow,
Nice,
very
good job.
nice.
Now, those are
Great.
Go.
Will and Jen. Day 2 of our Lippert experience. Yesterday meeting with the owner.
Can you stop? But apparently it's like all robotic. I'll do it later.
You can't ever be professional.
Well, it's funny because he really is getting mad, which makes it funny.
Daddy.
Hi.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Sorry, Dad.
This one, like it's there.